We use ProShop as a sales tool now. We show potential customers and even existing customers the system and how we're managing their data.
Some customers say, hey, what are you using? They didn't know about ProShop, and now they definitely do. They're really impressed with how it's thought out, the information that's accessible to us just at a few clicks.
We had the case of a customer come in for a shop tour. We showed them live data on the parts we were running, and they were blown away by how much information we had available for parts that were actually running while they were sitting in the conference room.
A few months ago, we had a customer come in and they were just really impressed with the documentation and traceability that ProShop offers us.
When we communicate to customers and our potential customers of what it's capable of, you see the customer instantly become engaged with you and want to know more about ProShop.
We're just now putting the ProShop logo onto our website so potential customers can see that we're using it.
ProShop has been a cornerstone sales tool for us since we got it, so every aspect of our business has improved since implementing ProShop.
We've had companies like SpaceX come in here and literally tell us that this is the best setup they've ever seen. And when we open up ProShop, their eyes get wild and they ask us if they can tell their other shops about ProShop.